Hey guys, we're back.
We are back, baby. We're back. We are back. We are back.
It's mid-August, so the new iPhones are right around the corner, and that means that case manufacturers are also starting to drip out their new products. In this case, ESR has a couple new cases with a colorway that looks really familiar to the leaks. So let's take a look. All right, guys, so here you have it. Got a couple cases here. We got a brand new one from ESR. This is their leather offering. It's called the ATELIER, which is a word that means an artist's private workshop or studio where they make fine art, which is, a cool little name. It looks like, we have the deep burgundy. They also have a light blue that has like, I don't know, I guess cream sidings on it and a black. I haven't found this blue one online yet, just the black and the burgundy, but obviously they're making it. And then this is just the classic hybrid stash case, similar to last year. This is what I got for the 17 Pro Max. If you notice, they got the Pro phone, the 17, and the Air on there. It says this one is for the 17 Pro Max. But this year, since we're just getting Pro phones and a Fold, they just have the Pro lineups on there. This is the deep burgundy, but if you notice, it says it's for the 18 Pro Max and the 17 Pro Max. So these cases for the new 18s are going to fit for the 17s, which is great. If you already have 17 cases, if you're moving up to the 18, upgrading year over year, you're good with that. But there's going to be a ton of colorway options this year because you can still get last year's options and this year's. So let's take a look. Open it up. We're going to start off with the ATELIER, the leather option, since this is the first time they've offered that. And this is a vegan leather, so it's not like a real genuine leather, but that's what all the case companies are doing now. It's got a nice soft liner, not really thick or anything. Just kind of protect from a little bit of dust. It's got a lanyard loop. It's got the camera control. And I mean, the camera control is going to be the same as what they were on last year's phone, or probably the 16 as well. You know how this year we got those rumors that it's just going to be a dumbed down version? Well, on the cases, they're still the same. We got obviously the buttons, and we got that stash stand. So I'm going to throw it in this 17 Pro Max. Sorry about that. And you can see it fits like a glove. So these cases work for both. Now the burgundy and orange colorway, yuck. I wish I never got this orange phone. I kind of only use this for shooting purposes. I use the Air as my everyday driver, but maybe I would have used this 17 more if I got the silver one. But we have the silver, stash stand. It says ESR up there, and I love these cases. They're perfect for if you're just watching any kind of content. If you're a poor boy and you only got the 18 Pro Max and not the Fold that seems to be, like it's going to be $2,500, like a MacBook Pro price, then, get a stash stand so you can, prop it up and watch your stuff. So it's just smooth, no real branding on it except for on the siding, which is nice. Just says ESR Tech Made Easier. If you can pick that up, hopefully you can. Good grippiness on the sides. This is just like a rubber, and the leather seems to be on the back. But it's good for grip. It feels nice in the hand. It's just a smooth offering since Apple's not, giving us leather cases anymore. There's a handful of other companies that are like, Alumu, who, makes this little accessory, this little knife and MagSafe stand. I tried to look for Banks. I know Banks had vegan leather cases, but I can't find them anywhere online anymore. But there's also Moft as well. But this kind of sits in line with the pricing of those. For the Burgundy, it's $45.99 on their website. The black one, you know how ESR always does this. The color options are always more expensive than the black for whatever reason. The black is $42.99. Keep in mind there's going to be a discount code in the bottom. It's buck25 ANI, 25% off. Save you some dough on there. And then let's get into the frosted case. So, I mean, I've pictured this on my channel a bunch of times. I really like this frosted case that they put out. This is just the deep burgundy as well. So you can kind of see the colorway. Like it's, you know, they were talking about how it was going to be a deep red. They're calling this deep burgundy. I've noticed ESR's colors are just a touch off of what Apple's are. I could really tell with like this frosted orange case from last year versus like the silicone case that Apple puts out. It's just a little bit different, but damn near the same. So you can kind of get an idea of what this is going to be. It's not like a USC Cardinal. You know, it's dark. It is more like a, if you follow college football, a Texas A&M type of colorway. So I dig that. Let's pop this out. But hey, if you got a 17 Pro Max in the Cosmic Orange and say you like this orange and burgundy combo, you can still do that. It's a no-go for me, but that's up to you. So again, we got some little drop protection corners, like some little airbags in the corners for the frosted case. We got the camera control, power buttons, action button, volume up and down. I didn't test the, I always like to do this to see, you know, if we can fit, you know, bigger cables. This is an Apple official Thunderbolt 5 cable. Fits in there no problem. So that's good to see. I hate when you get like a case and then, you know, you find out the whatever charger or cable that you're using just doesn't work for it. So I always like to point that out. I'm not going to hold you guys. The orange and burgundy is actually growing on me, which is surprising to me. But we got the silver stash stand. You know, there you go. It's the same one as on this leather. How do you say it again? ATELIER. I just want to check the cutout on this one as well. So a Thunderbolt cable are typically the ones with the biggest housing. I've seen other ones, but there you go. That's a pretty decent one to kind of compare to. So that's the deep burgundy. They also have a light blue of the frosted. I found this frosted on Amazon. I didn't see it on their website. ESR around this time, it's like one day they'll have it on their website, the other day that they won't. They do have a light blue, which matches up with those renders that we've seen from the leaks. So, you know, like I said, guys, it's a big win that the old phones match the new cases. So if you already have cases and you're upgrading, then, you know, you're going to have a whole collection. So we rarely see that. Usually it's like, okay, buy a new phone, got to get a new case, but not necessarily that way for 2026. Save a little money if you already have some, since these iPhones are skyrocketing in price. But let's see, we got the good magnets on there. This is just a SSD, plugs right in. So I always love the magnets on an ESR case. They are super strong. You don't ever have to worry about your stuff getting loose on there. So big fan of the color. If I upgrade to the 18s, I'm not going to get this color phone. I think I just soured from the Cosmic Orange, but it's just because they don't look good with the cases to me. So I want to get that black one. All the accessories this year are going to be in this deep burgundy, so I really like it. So I'm going to accessorize with the deep burgundy and have a more neutral phone this year, I think. So I think that's going to be the move for me. But what do you guys think? All right, guys, so let's wrap this one up. I'm a little rusty. I'm not going to lie. I haven't put out a video in a while. Sorry to leave you guys hanging, but if you're planning on picking up one of the new phones this year, again, the cases from last year fit the cases for this year, or the phones for this year. But don't forget, if you're picking up from ESR, use that discount code in the description below. I'll also leave it right here. It's BUCK25 ANI, and save you some money. You know, it also helps out the channel a little bit. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hype it up if that's still a thing. I'm not sure. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, it's Sean with Buck Life. Peace.